What's up mga best? A very good morning sa ating lahat. Today we'll be cooking a perfect chocolate crinkles. This is our complete recipe. First, 2 cups of all-purpose flour sifted, a cup of chocolate powder, salt and baking powder, or vegetable oil, the brown and the white sugar, the 3 pieces eggs, and the vanilla extract. Our wet ingredients. First, the oil, then our white sugar, mix it, then we will add our brown sugar, stir it, and make sure it will be incorporated properly. Next, we will be adding our eggs. First, we need to put only an egg, then mix it again. Then after 30 seconds, we will be adding our 2 eggs. We will add vanilla extract, then continue mixing. Next will be the dried ingredients, the flour, the salt, the baking powder, and the chocolate powder. So it will be mixed, and make sure all ingredients are incorporated properly. Now we will be adding our dried ingredients to our wet mixture. So we will not pour everything at once, and continue mixing. Okay, after thorough mixing, you will see the consistency. Okay, then we can now prepare this to be placed inside the fridge for around 4 hours. Yan, after 4 hours na nakarest na yung dough natin sa loob ng fridge. Yan, nakikita nyo, nilalagay natin yan sa weighing scale to make sure na pantay-pantay yung ating cookie. Normally, nasa 25 grams yan, lalo na pag commercial yung gagawin natin. Optional lang naman yung weighing scale. Pwede naman yung tansya-tansya lang. Or para lahat sila pare-pareho, mas maigi na yun na nakakilo sila lahat. Yan, 25 grams each cookie. So after natin nagawa yung mga mini balls, i-roll natin yan sa powdered sugar. Then ipiprepare natin yan sa isang pan. Make sure yung pan is again naka-grease both sides, saka yung bottom with parchment paper. I-arrange lang natin, make sure na mayroong spacing in between kasi yung cookie natin mag-i-expand dyan later on. So maglalagay tayo ng around 15 sa isang mixture. So yan, nakapasok na sa ating oven. Maghihintay na lang tayo ng 7 minutes. Yan. So yummy. After 7 minutes, ito na po yung moist crinkles natin. Yan, ilalagay yan sa cooling rack for around 3 minutes para tumigas yung bottom niya, para hindi siya naninikit sa parchment paper. Importante yan na i-rest natin kasi napaka-soft pa ng cookie natin. Yan, medyo nahirapan si baker kasi si assistant nagka-camera. Okay. Yan, kitang-kita nyo mga best, ang sarap. Napakaganda niya tingnan. Then ang loob, napaka-moist. Wow, sarap. Yan mga best, tapos na naman tayo sa isang masarap na recipe. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please click the notification bell for future update. See you soon mga best!